Hello, lovely viewers, welcome again to the channel. Today we are coming to you from Mensah Kumta Village in the Asutifi North District of the Ahafo region. It is a very beautiful village located in the Kenyan Township. This village is where most of the Newmont Gold mines workers live in this community. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button and wait for some few minutes. You will see a notification bell, click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. This beautiful village has its own playgrounds and a beautiful pool area. There is a network system in place for the members of this amazing village. Upon my visit, I was trying to unearth the reason behind its name, Mensah Kumta Village, but my search was unsuccessful. I will still dig around for that information.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Enterprise to Ghana. Now, here our boy yet. When Newman started with angle grinders. Angle grinders near what types we see in the main sense and Juma form. Welders, carpenters, traitors, plumbers, mason for Ubia, you see angle grinders, and so your types your kitwa. Also, the Oba and Emmanuel Enterprise to Ghana. Ubia, Ubia to Newman boy for your router hammers. Router hammers, we especially a condition for the plumbers, welders, Ubia, na. Your machine with the beer, we carpenter for no surface and a kitchen cabinet, no better use the nails, no nails, we now they walk, they all Itagan, more pumped up, no more movie, and also, neighbor very cheap. Now you walk. Circular saw, I will planing machine. Say, discount. Your money, drop it 30% to 40%. Now, your rivet gun. Rivet gun, they was set in a group. You need a number organizer for the move. Go away near the pump type. Organizer for next prayer for nobody in Kohana. Near money boy, very cheap. Any walk pipe wrench. Types in you will need there's a wonderful site or one site for you money now your pressure washer, your kitwa, your chain block, your dormer, give me a more cashew, fully in a dormer or tire scattering machines or location near Domal Road, what trap papaya one and a honica crabia. I saw Babette traffic down our bala van your honor, I'll a yellow house now, or drew yellow ni bo nkan say wadu inko house mpacho your number ni 05478949939 05478949939 inko brekum, make the world in your hands.
The road network in this community is great and everything here looks very beautiful and nice. As you can see from these area shots, to settle here in this village will not be a very bad idea. It will be very nice to settle in this beautiful serene environment. In this village is also a school, which makes the community a very complete settlement for the people who live here. Please do well to subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. And please wait for some few minutes. You will see a notification bell, click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. Please keep watching our videos, and as we have promised, we are going to bring you quality and nice area views of towns and villages that we have around, projects that are moving on or going on in this country.